Day of testing, out here with Fox, Mike Kim, putting the miles in, getting ready for hammers. I'm gonna warm it up.
We're out here in Johnson Valley with Currie. We're testing his live valve shocks. We've been just doing a few runs, looking at what the shocks are doing, making sure everything's fine. We're testing different calibrations, preparing for King of the Hammers. Everything's looking good.
It's like hopping
identical to the other ones.
It's just going.
Yeah, 3 ribs. Every other one is 3 ribs.
Oh, so that's not what it did at Vegas Reno.
Oh.
Vegas Reno shredded it.
Yeah,
Was it a black belt?
Green and black, both.
Belt, dude. No good.
This thing loosen up?
Is it only mounted on the front?
No, back and front. But the front is slotted, so I think I can push it up.
Well, yeah, but now I'm just wondering if the plate, it is mounted in the back?
Yeah.
If the plate is bent. But the problem is it'd be bent on the back. Alright, I mean, it'd have to bend the whole thing.
Yeah, you can see the top of it, now you can't even see it.
You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I mean, we could try to go back and go more. Power steering pump looked to have a little bit of angle to it. So we think the mid plate flexed, or the front plate flexed just enough to push the belt off the front. So, find out.
What we do in the frickin'... We're just waiting for Casey to come back.
Are we good?
Yeah. And I have a Casey right there. You know what I'm saying?
I like it.
I also say that, you know, you give me the good computer and the shocks are fucking pretty cool too. You have to have the computer or it doesn't work.
Yeah, that probably makes a difference.
Like all the cornering stuff that I was having problems with, it's all gone. What do you think about the springs, by the way?
It'd be interesting to try the heavier spring. It's just, the only thing is obviously it takes a lot of time to change. And then also I have to change the rebound valving and the bypass to account for it. Yeah.
The biggest thing that I always feel is like it's like when you're going super fast, it just skates a little bit.
Mm.
Well, stiffer spring will make that worse, right?
No, but yeah, but
No, it should actually make it better.
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well,
It just gets the wheel down to the ground.
Yeah,
better.
you got to do some of the valving onto the pistons are not. I mean,
I'm just used to softer is more.
no,
Yeah.
but
It just threw the whoops. It like.
Oh, yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah.
mechanically on the smooth dirt road. Yes.
we only have that much up trouble, right?
Well, and the other thing is, didn't you kind of like heavier spring for the rock, so you're not laying back as hard, or does that take it out of it with the electronics?
Well, the electronics changes everything anyways, but it's been a good day. So, made some big strides, learning. We're not done. So we're gonna pull the shocks off and make some spring changes and some valving changes and see if we can keep progressing. So I want the back to calm down a little bit in the big bumps, make it so I can feel more confident. Like when you're going like 80 miles an hour and you hit a big one, it puts you for a ride. So trying to get rid of that feeling, so should be good. It was working so good. Oh, I hurt my hands. Oh, dude. Oh, you scared the shit out of me.
All right. Yep, it's gone. Do we have the tools to put it back on?
Yeah, we same exact thing.
Well, you got to be getting good at getting that belt on now.
It's cutting them the exact same way every single time. There's something wrong.
You had a spare belt with you?
It's so fucking scary. I can't control it.
We're doing 90 in those.
I want to see if the pump pulled back.
It won't steer, right?
Holy, no, not only won't steer, dude, but when it's going through the whoop, so you don't realize how fast you're going until you're going slow. The holes are really big. But the problem is you hit them, dude, it's not fun.
Yeah, we're doing 90 miles an hour, all of a sudden the steering wheel starts going like this.
Yeah. When it just lost the belt at 90 miles an hour in the bumps, it ripping the steering wheel, smashing
I'll
the
just
steering
swap
wheel.
the other one I have into it.
Yeah, it's
Like, it'd be a good idea just to make sure you don't have an issue during the race.
Yeah.
the problem is you can't slow it down.
And you can see him hanging on to the thing. He's going like this.
All right, day of testing done. Learned some mistakes and issues that we had at Laughlin that we got fixed today. So Trophy Jeep is happy with suspension, but we got a belt issue. We lost 3 belts today, so we got some sort of an alignment issue going on. So take it back today and fix it and come back out test it today. So it should be good. No way. You took your toolbox and flipped it upside down. He was like, oh yeah?
That's where the ratchet strap's there. Okay, well,
Nice.
lessons learned.
When I say put the ratchet strap
No,
around
you said that's why there's a ratchet strap behind it. I'm like, what the f are you talking about, a ratchet strap? What
You
does that
got
have
to
to do?
latch it too. The ratchet strap's just for backup.
Day 2 of testing with Fox for 2026 KOH. We had a belt issue last trip with our belts coming off the back of the engine, so I think we got that resolved. Yeah, we wanted to make some more suspension adjustments, so been working with Fox on the live valve. We made a lot of programming changes the last trip out. Try to make sure that the electronic side of what we're working on with Fox is dialed in for obviously both desert and the rocks. So
What are the odds of this pole hanging on right here?
But it works like, it works
drives so good in the rocks. All right, I'm glad there was a problem with the shocks, so we didn't pull them off. I told Mike, don't pull them off. Day's done. Good day with Fox. So Paul made a bunch of changes on the belts that were coming off last time we were out here, and we put a bunch of dirt, like off-road high-speed stuff today, and no issues. And then did 4 or 5 rock trails, no issues. And then, yeah, Mike made some small changes on the shocks, and literally it's the most fun I've ever had. So between the motor and all the gearing changes and working with just everyone on the drivetrain is very happy right now. So it's super fun. It's insane to see how fast it can go in the whoops. It's wild. So it's a good time. So we're ready to go. Now we go home and prepare. I'm Casey Currie. Thank you for watching. Now comment below. Tell us what you like. Tell us what you don't like. Subscribe right here. Watch more videos here. Thank you guys.